manual washing machine without electricity. No power supply is needed. No electricity is needed. This is the carton. That is the hose. This is the washing bucket. This is the washing basin. This is the cup, the spinner. This is the handle. This is for the hose. This is the hose. Covering the hose. So let's start. I'll fix the. Remember, no electricity is needed. So it washes with these blades here and the body. They built it in a way that the body should be scrubbing around the body. We are fixing the bucket. Let's put the clothes in this plate. We've washed these ones. Look at how sparkling clean. So you gauge the water. You are washing with clean. You can wash with liquid soap. We place the cover. Then you bring the handle. This place is for washing. This place is for drying. So we want to wash. We put it here. So like as you can see, if the this one here is rotating towards the direction, you are doing it well. If you want to turn the clothes inside, you turn it anti. So this is for you to turn the clothes inside. But to wash is the other direction. So she's turning it small. You want to rotate the clothes, you turn the other side. Turning it clockwise is the main washing position. Very, very free to turn. With the water, as you can see, the dates are under. The foam is up, washing the clothes. So for best result, you turn both directions, but turn more of the clockwise direction. So you can place your foot here, the other one on the other side. So this is good for washing children's clothes. You can wash in the night because with this thing, look at the water. You give it to like a minute, highest 2 minutes. The dates are out. You can wash in the night. You can load the whole cloth inside and wash it in the night without even checking to see where it's still dirty. You can see. So it's due for draining. Let's drain the dirty water. So as you can see, look at the clothes. So we add more water to rinse it. So this is for the hose. You can put the hose here to add water if you are using tap. So as you can see, they're all sparkling clean. So let's dry these ones. So we close. So you remove from the washer to the spinner, and make sure that if you put it like this, it's wrong. If you put it like this, it's wrong. Like this is also wrong. It must face outside. Then it to be splashing on the body, then they will be dropping. This will dry the clothes.